Good evening, ma'am. Today we will learn how to create Google Forms for having feedback. Firstly, we have to make sure that we are logged in the Gmail account. If your profile picture is appearing here, that means you are logged in. Otherwise, log in first in the Gmail account and then after open google.com. So in this search window, I will type Google Forms. In the Google Forms, free online service for personal use, and then in the personal section go to Google Forms. Okay, I will just click on this blank part because I want to make my own form, and then click on the untitled form and give the title like feedback form, and just click on the untitled form. It will just copy the title from here to there automatically. Form description, this time I am typing demo only, and then click on this question number 1, how to rate our work. It is just an example. Then select the question type like multiple choice. Click on the option 1, good. Add option, very good. Third option, average, and fourth option, can't say. You can give more options, but I am giving only 4 options. If you want to make this question compulsory, then click on this required button. Now a user cannot leave this question blank. Okay, now with this plus sign you can add one more question, question number 2. Question 2. Now select the question type. This time I want to make a question with a drop down menu like option 1, option 2, option 3. Just click on the required button if you want this question make compulsory. From this drop down menu you can select the question types as you want. Now we will have a look with this button that how our feedback form will be appeared to the user. So this kind of feedback form will be appeared to the user. Rate 2, how to rate our work, good. Question number 2, option 2, and then submit. Your response has been recorded. Submit another response. Okay, just go back to the tab and click on the responses. One response has been given. This is a pie chart, and you can click on this 3 dotted pattern to download responses, or the simple way is just click on this plus button and you can create a new spreadsheet or select existing spreadsheet. I will just click on this select existing spreadsheet and select. This Excel sheet will be downloaded and you can see one response over here. Okay, I just want to show you one thing, that if everything is closed, then how to open this thing again. Just open Google Chrome. ये नज़र आ रहा बटन? Okay. In google.com, just click on this icon. In this section, click on the drive button. Click on this feedback form. In the new tab, this feedback form will be enabled to you. Just you can submit a response here again and see the responses in this tab same way. Thank you.